If you are using Claude AI and you have found yourself writing the same context every time you start a conversation, your role, who you are, your business, your tone, the way you like the responses, then this video is for you. My name is Marvin and I am the co-founder and CEO of Banso AI, and I help small and mid-sized business owners in the United States to save time and increase revenue using AI-powered systems. I went into a clean Claude AI session, a new chat, and I provided one simple instructions. No context, no nothing. I said, write a LinkedIn post about closing my first client. Claude took my instructions and created a post, which I'm gonna show. The post read, today I signed my first client. A few months ago, this was just an idea. I kept telling myself, so on and so forth. It doesn't have context. It doesn't know who I am. It doesn't know the type of clients that I serve. So I get generic content. In this chat window, I could easily tell Claude, I'm Marvin, the co-founder of Banso AI, and this is what I do. But what if I have to do this every time? What if I have to do 5 chats, 5 different posts in 1 or 2 weeks? That's when rewriting the content becomes a little bit tedious. I'm gonna show you a trick that's very simple and it comes built in within Claude. I'm gonna go to my options and I will select settings. The first option in the top left of the screen is gonna say general, and you will find one box that says instructions for Claude. Here, you need to provide the context that you want Claude to remember in general when you are having conversations with it. In my case, I put, I'm Marv, co-founder and CEO of Banso AI. This is what I do. I run this solo, not team. I want to keep responses casual, direct, like a colleague, no AI jargon, no buzzwords, no fake contrarian hooks, and so on and so forth. After writing all the information here, I just selected save changes and I went back into a new chat and I wrote the same one line instruction. Write a LinkedIn post about closing my first client. What's the difference? When I click on the post that it created, the first thing that it says is, I closed my first client for Banso AI this week. So what this is telling me is that Claude is going back to my references and is listening to my instructions before writing the post. Another thing to notice is that it doesn't have M dashes, it doesn't have contrarian hooks, and it's very well written based on the instructions that I gave. I am 100% sure that you will save a lot of time, minutes, or even hours just by providing the instructions once and using this personalization feature that's built in Claude AI. I want to give you a simple framework that you can use to tell Claude about you. Number one, in general terms, just say who you are, your role, your company, industry, the one thing you are most focused right now. This is going to make your responses relevant. Two, how you work. Is it only you, solo? You have team members? Any constraints that are worth knowing? Your budget, your time, tools that you are logged in and using, tools that you're paying, subscriptions that you need. Three, tone rules. How you want things written. Casual, formal, bullet points, shorts, detailed. Any words or phrases that you hate seeing, like buzzwords, M dashes, filler words, etc. Number four, what to avoid. Anything the AI keeps doing wrong that annoys you. Over explaining, hedging, generic openers, whatever your specific pet peeve is. And number five, how you want to be challenged. Do you want agreement every time or pushback when your idea has a hole in it? Like, people never think to specify this and it changes a lot. Have you ever experienced the fact that when you tell Claude any idea that you have, it says, oh my God, that is a great idea. I never thought about it. If you provide clear instructions that Claude should challenge your ideas or whatever you say, then I guarantee you, you're going to have way different results. And just to finish, just think about this. You would not hire someone and never tell them what you do. Treat this the same way. Tell Claude everything it needs to know about you so that you get the best output possible. If you need more guidance, if you need help, or if you want to learn more about how to use AI in a way that makes sense for your business, feel free to visit my website at Banso AI. Send me an email to info@mansoai or just comment in this video.